Thai Basil Seeds Guide for the First-Time Gardener. How to grow Thai basil from seed. Thai basil is an herb that is used in many Thai dishes. It has a strong, spicy taste and is often used in curries or stir-fries. Thai basil also comes in a number of varieties including Sweet Thai Basil, Holy Thai Basil, and Thai Lemon Basil. In this video, we'll be going over how to grow Thai basil from seed, but first, plant your thumb on the subscribe button for updates and new video releases. Okay, let's get growing. The first step is to get your seeds ready by soaking them in water overnight. Next, you'll want to put some potting soil into the container. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep and cover them with more potting soil so that they will germinate properly. What kind of soil is best for Thai basil? Thai basil is a tropical plant and it needs warm temperatures to grow. It also needs high humidity and a lot of water. Thai basil can be grown in any type of soil, but it does not do well in cold weather or dry soil. The most popular type of soil for growing Thai basil is potting mix. Other types of soils work as well, but the potting mix is the easiest for beginners to use because it has all the nutrients that Thai basil plants need to flourish. How much light does Thai basil need? Plants need a certain amount of light to grow, and the amount of light needed for growing plants depends on the type of plant. Thai basil needs a lot of light because it grows quickly and is sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity. When is the best time to plant Thai basil seeds? For the best results, plant your Thai basil seeds in the springtime when the soil is moist and warm. The best time of day is in the early morning or late evening, and keep them moist but not wet. Planting Thai basil seeds is not difficult, but it does require a bit of patience. Thai basil plants are sensitive to dryness and overwatering. How deep should I plant a Thai basil seed? When planting a Thai basil seed, it should be at the depth of about 1 inch, making sure that there is enough space in the container for your plant's roots to grow and spread out. Where can I buy Thai basil seeds? If you are looking to grow Thai basil from seed, click on the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.